here.
I've got to do the whole way.
You do. I mean, if you're gonna go in, you drop it down.
Oh, hook up. All right. He's a good fighter.
I don't think you'll like it.
All right. On the drop. Oh yeah, he does not want to get out of that grass. Oh, right on. Cutthroat, my first one. Beautiful fish. Here, let me get my hands wet before I get the hook out of this guy. Be well, buddy. Right on.
Make it more painful.
Another one. Right on. He is pulling. Can't see him yet. Oh, he's gonna get wrapped up in some of that bush, isn't he? Beautiful fish. Right on. Oh, he came off. Good for him. Save the release. That's good. Don't want to handle these fish too much. Got all the fun of catching them, but didn't have to damage them too much on the release. Yeah.
Thanks for releasing.
Yeah. Well, I don't think you're allowed to keep them either, right?
I think you can.
No.
There's some you can.
I think
I don't remember what the. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, they've been liking it on the drop, so every time I start chatting with someone and not paying attention, that's when they get it.
Well, I'm glad I came by.
Yeah, so I'm stoked because I wanted to cut one off my species list, but I don't want to keep these guys. I want to safe release them and get them back.
Well, good. Well, enjoy.
Thank you. You too.
Take care.
So that the bear's gone.
Well, he went up in the woods.
I heard he went for a swim. I thought that was interesting.
Well, he's thirsty.
I would have loved to see that from a distance. All right, buddy.
Pretty good.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. Yeah, the last one self-released himself, which I liked.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I brought him right up to.
You had much stuff?
Yeah, I got 3 off that rock earlier, and then I just got bit twice here. I think they got wise to my tricks over there, so I had to move a couple of feet over.
When you hold on to this core, is it something that could go in the water?
I think that's good to throw in the bushes or something. Oh, here we go.
Oh, vacuum. Do you keep them or are you going to throw them back?
Oh yeah, I throw all these back. They're cutthroat. You're not allowed to keep them, but even if I could, I wouldn't. They're the native trout here.
Oh, okay.
So, oh, he's beautiful. Hope I got this on video. Oh, I did. Oh yeah, there's a very healthy population here. Oh, come on, buddy. I know you don't want to come up, but... Oh, shit. Ah, chill out, homie. I should have tired him out first. I don't want him losing all of his slime, though. That's why I wet my hands before I handle him. Got one. Oh, let's see. All right, let's get you back out there, buddy. Come on over.